Hey, my lovelies. Welcome to the Oracle of Starlight. You must be wondering why this beautiful ribbon is here. It was tucked somewhere between the tarot piles, and when I picked up one of the piles, this came along. So I think that's a beautiful beginning to the reading. Golden ribbon, tying up things, bringing things together, celebrations. But most importantly, I feel this is giving me the feeling of events. Fated events, something beautiful, shiny, pure. I don't know how this connects with you, what will come to mind, but that's what came. Fated events that, with their in and out, their twists and turns, bring you something amazing. Okay, right. So, the month of April, the second quarter, there are some significant doors opening for you. Some doors which you expected, totally unexpected, you wanted them to open, long overdue, and all that. So I'm going to put up three images, three beautiful doors. You may want something like that, you've dreamt of something, whatever. Choose all three doors, choose one, you go with it. Okay? Here they are, colorful. Instinctively, you'll connect with one. Okay? So I have Tarot Oracle with me. Let's prepare your pile. The piles are ready. Let's begin. The first door. Look at the riot of colors. It's blue, yellow, pink, and the lovely tile work there, the flooring. Let's see, what is this door bringing you? Which door that is opening, what is it bringing in your life? Is it something new? Is it something that you've always wanted? Right? Okay. Wheel of Fortune, Five of Pentacles, Cat, a two-faced friend, Eagle, triumph over troubles and obstacles. Let's begin with that. Wheel of Fortune. Yes, definitely this door is opening up, bringing a new cycle into your life. The wheel has turned, and what is there in front of you, what this image tells me, is something totally new. You are going to, find your way through this labyrinth, okay? Right? And you wanted this. And can you see this beautiful tree of life, the image here? So this is something that you were drawn to, you were meant to. Tree of life, interconnectedness, where community comes in, ancestors come in, your divine family comes in, and you are guided. So when you go through this path looking for your way, to reach your goals, you're not going to be alone. Such a beautiful message. Yes, new path, doors opening into something really, really amazing and very, very different, very, very, how would you say, very beneficial for you. That cycle has been completed and now you're ready for this door to open. Five of Pentacles. Yes, this is something that, has been troubling you. See how you're standing on it. And any minute, you may just take that step and put your foot and say, okay, done. earlier used to stand, away and look at it with discomfort, sorrow, frustration. But now things are turning. The door that is opening for you, you will walk and stand on it as if to say, no, you don't affect me anymore. You don't scare me anymore. I'm not worried about you. Okay? A two-faced friend. This would be an absolutely obvious message. Be a little wary. I feel you look at this card and instinctively someone may come to mind. Or maybe you don't know as yet. Now, why is this coming at a point where new door is opening? I guess when this door opens for you, you see, people who are aligned with you, who mean, they have your best interests at heart, who mean you well. And maybe something like that is coming forward. A realization where you feel, okay, it's really sad. You know this person, and now you realize something that they really can't be trusted. What you do after that, that's up to you. Triumph over troubles, obstacles. Of course, a new door has opened. When you step into a new portal, a new place, the whole reason is to let go of the old. You can't carry that baggage with you. Whatever you have, troubles, obstacles. So beautiful. That is what your door is taking you towards. A new life. Sure, it can be scary, a little daunting, but your guidance is you have chosen the door. So step in. Dark reflection. When you look into the abyss looks back. Truth seeking liberation. Possible that when this opportunity comes or when this door opens for you, initially all you can see is, an abyss, darkness, void. You really can't see anything. But your guidance here is step into that. Liberation, truth seeking. It's an opportunity that is coming. Some very significant event is going to happen, where you will look at your life in a little different manner and say, okay, I am getting a chance to, move ahead, move out. So of course there'll be fears and doubts, but your guidance is step into that. Let go of fear. You have to have faith. As I told you in this, you're not alone. So you will have certain thoughts. Sometimes we have certain experiences which leave an impact. Maybe an experience that you had. Okay, we'll come back to tell you, is it okay? Is it safe? Should I step forward? What do I do? All these doubts may come. So when you look into darkness, you have darkness looking at you. When you look into the abyss looks back. But when you go with an absolutely different energy, see, it's how it, joining her hands. And can you see that glow? So beautiful. Already there's a glow. Let me show you this. Okay. You see that glow? It's emanating from her heart. So that is you'll have to be really very strong to step into this energy. Okay. But the door has opened. You have chosen the door. See the colors. If I very often connect colors with chakras. So you have the color pink. That is the color of the heart chakra. You have yellow, solar chakra. Personal power. Okay. The strength, the confidence to take that step. And you have blue, throat chakra. So whatever, like communication is very, very powerful. You are speaking, saying what you need to, what you must, and you are also listening to things that are going to guide you. Communication is a two-way street, right? It's speaking, listening, and absolutely understanding. So those colors caught your eye for a reason. So when you are stepping into this, the new door that has opened for you, your throat chakra is going to guide you. What has to be said? That's it. Not more, not less. Exactly that. Rich pig. Oh, wow. Regeneration, good luck, abundance. Oh, did you know that this is what the door is bringing you? Wow. Regeneration, good luck, abundance. Sacred symbol of fortune and fertility. Bless me with opportunity for prosperity. Okay, money, finances. This door is bringing that. Oh, that's amazing. That is so beautiful. And Wheel of Fortune, of course, is one of the cards that talks about good fortune, abundance, prosperity. When the wheel turns, it's amazing. A new cycle, a new turn in your life. And when does this happen? It is karmic. It is something that, the door that is open for you, yes, you've prayed for it, but it's also destined to happen for you. It is, a, at some point the door has opened. It's like you've completed a very heavy karmic cycle. And after completing that strongly with determination, not letting go, not giving up, the door has opened for you. So, yes, unpredictable, you don't know what's there, but believe that this is meant for you. Take that risk, take that step. Unexpected events for sure, but lovely. And which rune is coming to? The East rune. Yes, East rune talks of a period where things were just stuck, not moving forward. And now you have forward movement. You've been through this. You can see the bat, wings all wrapped up. And what is there at its feet? Wow. So this is a period that you've been through. Stillness, being completely restricted. And now it's time for the bat to open its wings. Spread the wings and fly. And take flight, move forward. Wow, that is so beautiful. So that is what is coming in. And when, like for example, just visualize the bat opening its wings, sees what is around, and then, sort of takes that initiative which direction to go. So that's going to happen for you. The door has opened. You are coming out of this energy, like a hanged man energy, and you're moving forward. Such a beautiful message. Be ready, the door is opening. All the very best, my lovelies. Stay safe, stay blessed. Door 2. Very nice muted colors. You have violet and a beautiful dark blue, and there are flowers to, bring in a little lightness and greenery all around. So let's connect with the chakras. I feel first and most importantly, you have the green, the heart chakra. And then you have that violet flame, crown chakra. And you have this deep blue. That's, I feel the third eye. Let's see what your guidance is. The door is opening. What is it bringing for you? What exactly are you stepping into? Oh, sorry, I've kept the deck upside down. 9 of Cups. 2 of Pentacles. Time card. Celebration, fun, enjoyment. Finger. Warning you of a problem either now or in the near future. Okay. Let's wait here and continue after we finish this. Okay, I'm looking at the door. Okay. 9 of Cups. Definitely this door is bringing you so many financial gifts, so many gifts related to relationships, self-healing. Wow. Cups is the energy of the heart. And look at the beautiful golden egg. You can actually feel this golden ribbon. So, Nine of Cups, yes, you are what you are stepping into is something so beautiful, like very heartfelt energy. You may have people coming into your life, new friends are coming in. What relationship you are in at present, or if you are looking for, someone that you want to connect deeply with, already in a relationship. I also get the um, I also get the sense of someone who has been planning to have a little one. Okay, I see that also. So beautiful. So this is contentment. The door that is opening for you, I think, I really feel after a very tough period, this door has opened for you. So that is why universe is gifting you not one golden egg, but 9 golden eggs. Deep healing, heart healing. You are forgiving someone who hurt you very, very deeply, very, very, it was very harsh. But something has happened, some mending has taken place. Either you have mended yourself, you have, gone through kind of a, deep soul searching kind of a journey, and you have let go. You have forgiven someone. And of course, this is a major wish card also. Close relationships, money. I see many of you going through a beautiful transformation in the way you look. Something about your hair, your skin is clearing. Mm, some of you who may have an issue with weight, I see very healthy weight loss as well. Emotions, so beautiful. I think, this wave that's coming, this kind of energy that is coming, you will get emotional very easily, but in such a lovely way. Sometimes when in life you get these small, small, let's say, gifts, you have these beautiful feelings, these moments that come, and all you can do is just say, oh, and feel it in your heart. Wow. Your guidance is definitely just gratitude. Two of Pentacles. So, Two of Pentacles, I think when I look at the color on the door, you have the third eye chakra and the crown chakra. Okay. So your connection, while it talks of connection with the divine, and third eye is intuition, vision, having a picture of your future in very clear, colors. So what I feel is these Two of Pentacles is also something that, two kind of ideas, two people, choices that, was going on in your mind. You were not in a hurry. But now that change that is coming when you step into this door, one important change that is there is to pick the one that you feel is right, or to pick that one decision, that one choice which you feel, now you need to pay attention to that. Maybe there's something, is it something related to children, or is it something related to a decision that you need to make in your career, your own personal venture? So there, I think there are two things that you've decided. These are the two things I need to do. It may not make, go well with people, but one clear decision is coming through. So if you were in that kind of a mind stuck energy, the door that is opened is giving you that clarity. Celebration, fun, enjoyment, absolutely. 9 of Cups. And celebrations, not alone. With your gang, with your friends, with your community, with your soul tribe. I also see some very beautiful moments with your family, your children, especially, warning you of a problem either now or in the future. Warning. Forewarned is forearmed. Okay, then let's see. Defensive. Unseen resistance to unresolved issues. Explore with curiosity. Reflection, acceptance, growth. Tough armadillo. Security, toughness, boundaries. You need to go with the help of others. Defend you, defend yourself. Okay, so a new door is opening, new things are happening, new people are coming in. I feel when a significant event takes place, very often there is a shift in the way we think, we see things. I think that is why, because when I was setting this up, it shifted once and it shifted twice. I'm like, okay, some shifts are coming in for sure. So, unseen resistance. You may not even know, but there's some things that you have been resisting. Maybe that is the reason that door hadn't opened for you as yet. That door has such a, very calming, very, sedate kind of look. So it is something that, you looked at it, and I don't know why, I feel you must have felt something like a very serene and very tranquil feeling. Like, oh, this looks so nice. You have the green and you have the lovely flowers, but something about you gave a very solid, kind of appearance. So there is something that you are resisting. Unresolved issues are there. But that again is something that you're going to take care of. There's reflection, there is acceptance, there is growth. So the door that you're stepping into, it's going to bring that change in perspective. You will be, curious, and you look at the shield, right? Maybe at some point you were behind a shield, holding a shield in front of you. I do not want to encounter this. I do not want to connect with this. I want to stay away. But now it's changing. I feel it's very much related to what we spoke about with Two of Pentacles. A decision that, you make. Maybe someone had told you, a close friend told you, and you were not ready to hear. But now you are looking at things differently. And look at the beautiful colors. It's like major realization, clarity that is coming in. So resistance, okay, unseen resistance, it now giving way. There is reflection and you are accepting. And when you accept that and understand that and even think of, okay, I need to make this change, there's definite growth. And toughness, boundaries. So when you are resisting change, you did it for a reason. But now when you're letting go of that resistance, your boundaries are up. Okay? Toughness, security. That is something that you wanted, and now you have that with you and you're saying, okay, this is what I want. So I'm not going to hide behind that shield. I'm going to be very clear. I'm going to put up boundaries that will help others to know, okay, this is, where it stops. That is as far as you can go. Which rune is coming? Sowilo. Sowilo rune is rune that is related to the sun card. It's quite strange. We were just talking about the sun here. Okay. Sowilo is a rune that tells you that, things that you're stepping into are just meant for you. First and most importantly, a very fated event this is. Just like the sun card, it brings healing. Okay. Healing, like the sun card, success. It's a beautiful globe. And you have the kingfisher. Kingfisher. What an amazing, powerful bird. You just can't go, looking at its size. So much of strength, so much of wisdom. So this card, holds the power of the sun. So you have strength. Also, if there are health issues, if troubling you or your family members, someone very close to you, that is healing, that heavy energy is clearing. And sun, of course, brings, when you look at things, it brings clarity. And your door is talking about third eye and the crown chakra. So when the third eye is active, what you plan to do, what you are setting out to do, what you want to manifest, third eye, when it's activated, you can see it very clearly. You can see, this is the way I want things, this is the way I want it to go, I want to step into this, and this is not going to be a part of it. So this card does bring that energy of clarity. It's like, that, can you see the darkness around? And you have this light that is coming to clear away the darkness. Of course, because you're stepping into this beautiful energy. Good fortune. Sun brings good fortune, good luck, improvement in finances, and a very significant change in your lifestyle. Okay? Wow. These are beautiful energies indeed. 3 words are standing out for me. One is acceptance. The other is defense, so you need to keep your shields up. And cups, the energy of cups. Cups overflowing. Make the most of it. Let gratitude be your mantra. And yes, most importantly, when you are in this beautiful energy, do reach out and help those who, will automatically catch your eye, come to you. Reach out and help in whatever way you can. Okay, that's it for you. Stay safe, my lovely. Stay blessed. Door 3. Here is your reading. So the riot of colors, flowers. So many flowers. And see the beautiful blue and white. So I see one thing which this door tells me is that you are finding that quiet time within, to go within. Whether if it's on your way to work, whether you're sitting with your cup of tea, whether if you're, watering your plants, whatever you're doing, you're finding that time, that deep connection. And you are trusting your heart. That white talks of, purity, sweetness, calmness, serenity. And then you have blue. Throat chakra is going to be majorly active. You're stepping into this door, and that's the first thing that's going to come. So I feel what I get from this door is people are going to come to you and ask you. And, like this is, something that's happening. And I just don't know what to say. You'll be guiding people what to say, whether they are talking about speaking to their manager, speaking to their partner. Somehow these people will come to you. And your words are going to guide them. Your words, what not to say, and what can be said and how to say it. It's like you are becoming a master communicator. Or you always wanted to be someone, who knew just what to say, could help people. I don't know, I feel this is a new phase that is coming into your life where you are going to do that. And you have the flowers, to take that door, that, that area outside your door. And if you notice, the pots, they don't really have flowers. It's more of green, but the flowers are there everywhere. I also feel you're the kind of person who is a little funky, who just likes doing things. You're, either you already have a very eclectic taste in clothes, in music, or that's what's coming. Something that's different, eye-catching, but you're not doing it to show people. That's the way you are, or you are becoming like that. Oh, wow. Lovely. Okay. Ace of Pentacles, Spirit of Wands, Queen of Wands. Whoa. Again, you have flowers. Did you notice? I think these are cherry blossoms. And you have the sunflower. Wow. Flowers are really, significant for you. Club. Someone will try to make you do something against your will. Bread. Period of prosperity and abundance. So lovely. Okay. So, yes. Ace of Pentacles, new door, new experiences, new perspective, new people. And yes, I think the change of style is coming in now. Like a rebel, I think you've decided, I'm done with these kind of things. Now I want to change the clothes. Maybe you will just, step out to shop, your footwear, even the way your hair, just get a maybe new fresh cut. Different, lively, youthful energy. I feel it's the energy of a little bit of the page. Youthful, happy. Let's do this. Okay, why this is coming? You know best. Maybe it is like maybe, sometimes at some point we come to this thing that, okay, you know what? My life, yeah, it's going on fine. But now I need to live it properly. Okay, so new energy is coming in. Ace of Pentacles. This door came in front of you. Ace is an opportunity, something that the universe brings to us. It's like as if, you are coming out. See this. So it was underwater so many, for a long period. And now it's coming out. I know it's to come out, to be out in the air is quite dangerous for a fish. But the whole idea of breathing differently, that is what you're deciding. Yeah, I'm living my life. This is what is there. There are some things which I'm not really happy with, some things I want to change. But I'm done sitting and thinking now what to do. I don't know what to do. You're going to let that thought go. And you're going to come out and breathe. Come out of a kind of a space that you were in for a long time. And what are you stepping into? The Queen of Wands. Wow. Beautiful, powerful energy, unapologetically you. And here also you have some colors, huh? So you have the solar chakra, the sacral chakra, and you have so much of power. Queen of Wands energy. She's someone who has decided that this is the way my life is going to be. You may say what you want. You may say, sometimes people, it's very sad, but they connect things in our life with our age, or, maybe at what point you are in. And, you think it's okay. It is so sad when restrictions are put in this manner. I have cleared my throat at least, thrice when I was speaking. So yes, I feel that throat chakra is going to come in power. The beautiful blue door of yours. So this energy that you're stepping in, such a warm, beautiful energy. This energy, when it comes, when you look at yourself and say, people are so lucky to have me as a friend. People don't know how lucky they are. What energy I bring into. That is beautiful acceptance and knowing your true self. Such a powerful, beautiful energy. And so you're going to be fun. You may be a little bit impulsive. You may say things which are totally unexpected. Not mean, but that will sort of give people a start. Wow. And your shine, your glow is definitely attracting few people, who just want to come and be in that warmth. Someone trying to make you do something against your will? Not going to happen. And period of prosperity and abundance. Absolutely. Pentacles brings that energy. So whatever you are working on, money is coming to you. It's meant to come to you. That door has opened, that financial success. Hidden desires. Your deepest desires hold the seed of your potential. Longing, passion, fulfilled. Spiritual moth. Spirituality, psychic ability, passion. Passion has come again. Having mystical and satori experiences, allowing your magic to create in life. True self begins to emerge. Whoa, these are beautiful messages, huh? That is why I guess the change was needed. That is why you decided to make that change. You had some desires that you always felt, I wish I could do that. I wish I could say that. I wish I could wear these kind of outfits. I wish, I've always wanted to do this. I've always wanted to. And learn something. I don't know from where this is coming, but bartender. Somebody here felt that you would like to learn, the whole idea of mixing different flavors to create something that is so delicious, that tantalizes that sense of ours, the tongue. I don't know from where this is coming, but I feel somewhere here, somewhere out there, as wished. Okay, so there are hidden desires, yeah, deepest, your wish. And the best part is, these things which are there, you've always wanted to do, actually that is where your potential, lies. If you actually think about it, something that you've always wanted to do, why is this door opened? That, it coincides so beautifully. So new opportunities, new beginnings are coming. So something that you've always wanted to do, you wanted to learn something, do a course, in collaboration, do something which you felt you have the talent for, but for whatever reason you could not move ahead. And now that is coming. That longing is no longer no longer ready to be just kept in. You're fulfilling that. Spirituality, psychic ability, passion. Having mystical and satori experiences. That's what's happened. Somehow, such experiences have come in front of you where maybe you saw someone else doing that, or maybe you found a scrapbook of yours, some old photograph, or something that you had written in your yearbook. I don't know, I feel it's something that you at that time in your in your childhood, very confidently you said, I will do this, I know I can do this, but somehow it was left behind, or for whatever reasons. But now certain experiences have come, and you look at that, you re-look at that, passion of yours. Wow, that desire of yours. It could also be connected to uh, a very deep relationship. You are in a relationship, and there are some things you felt, this is what I will do for my partner. And for whatever reason, you were not able to. But I feel that's going to change now. Something that you've longed to do, longed to say, longed to experience, you are going to do that. Spirituality, psychic ability, wow. Pentacles and wands both speak of that. The earth energy and the fire energy. So intuition, psychic ability is rising. That's amazing. And also psychic ability is what's going to give you like a spark to say yes. If it comes back again and again, your inner truth, and you look at it and say, I want to do that. Which rune is coming? The Algiz rune. Whoa, a lot of power. And you have that star. So Algiz talks of your connection with the divine. Look at that. Talks of your connection with the divine. It's like you look at it, the symbol, it looks like a, three-pronged thing. deep connections, your psychic ability is going to really rise. It's like, think of it like an antenna, that out of the blue, guidance is coming for you, inner guidance. Your connection with the divine is really going to go on a very, very high level. I feel that door that is opening, that you're stepping into, is changing your energy completely. I don't know why I feel previously, earlier, your life was going on fine. Things were happening, life was moving, you were working, and you had friends and all. But I feel that something in your life was missing. And you did not know. I guess set that intention that let me just have that, a life that, that's full of life, life full of life. And now that door is opening for you. So amazing. So you will definitely find a lot of opportunity to connect. I don't know why I feel meditation. Yes, I feel others are going to join you in this. Something related to meditation, going on retreat. See the energy, going on a retreat where you feel you want to connect with like-minded people and step into that very different energy where you connect with your higher self, you connect with nature. You find a group of people who are guiding you for this. Wow, a major awakening has happened, as soon as you have, that door has come in front of you and you have stepped into that. And of course there is protection, very, very powerful protection. Protection, courage. Oh, such a beautiful energy. Wow. Okay, that's what I have for you. Stay safe, my lovelies. Stay blessed.